let's look at how to do some more analysis with the native, with the model using native Excel functions. So we have X lookup here, okay, and okay, the demand comes from there. This is the model that we already did, and suppose we want to try different order quantities and look at the profit profile. So again, we can do replications, right? So we're going to do replications, say 1000 replications. Okay. And we're going to try different order quantities. So we want to try 100, 125, 150, okay, all the way up to 300, like what we have here. Okay. And we want to look at the profit for each of those replications with different order quantities that we want to try. So it's kind of a sensitivity analysis to get more idea about how the order quantity is going to affect sensitivity analysis for how to, I mean, get an idea about how order quantity will affect profit, right? And this can be done with a two-way data table, and the output now is you can have only one output in a two-way table. So in that corner, you put the profit cell, okay, and then you highlight the entire table. Make sure that you've highlighted everything. Okay, so now you go to data table. This time the column input cell is the replication number, so we'll just select an empty cell for that. The row input cell will have to be this order quantity. Okay. Then we have the replications. Now, of course, we need to go to formula and to calculate sheet, so that will calculate the values for us. So this is our order quantity. Okay. So okay, let's center that using the merge and center. Put that here. Okay. And put an underline here. And we can hide this using white as the font color. So then we have minimum profit. Okay. So that's our minimum. Okay. To make it easy, so I'm going to just highlight there, do Control C, and then do Control V. So the range will be exactly same. It won't be affected. So it's easy to edit the formula that we want for that range. So average, all right, and then standard deviation. So we need std ev dot s. Okay. And then we have the percentiles. Percentile.exe, say 0.05. and percentile.exe 0.95. Okay. Now we can copy that across. Okay. And change the format to currency and get rid of the decimal places. And let's calculate one more time. So now we have for various order quantities what the profits are. Okay. And we can plot this to see, let's say that we want to plot the average profit, right? So let's take average profit. All right. Okay. So average profit. Let's add the x-axis, which is our order quantity. Well, that should go here. Okay. And then let's add the fifth percentile. Okay, fifth percentile is that. Y value, the fifth percentile. Okay, x values are those. Okay. And then we'll add one more. That's the 95th percentile. X values are these. Y values are those. Okay. And let's add a name for the average, so that should be average there. Series name. Okay, so let's all right, and then we can add axis title, chart title. Okay, chart title we can say profit for order quantities. $1,000 replications. And x-axis is order quantity, and y-axis is profit. Okay. Now let's change this to say 80. Okay, 100 is the lowest number, so let's make it 100. Order quantities start from 100. All right. Okay. Now we want to have labels for these lines, so we can say legend. Okay. Now you can put the legend in several different places. So let's say we want to put it at the top. Okay. So you see that the 95th percentile, 5th percentile profits and how the average profit is. So this gives us an idea as to what how the profit will be affected based on the order quantity.